Today I'm going to start making the butterflies to attach to the extra long threaded stems from the roses. I suck at drawing, so I've bought stickers, butterfly stickers, and I'm also going to use some of the petals. When I broke a petal, I'll show you later how I can do that. From the rose assembly, I can cut one off and it makes a pretty good butterfly. So I'm doing half copper, half sheet metal, and we'll get rolling. What I've done is cut 3/4 inch plumbing pipe, and I'm gonna split it down the middle and flatten it out. I'm sure I could get copper sheeting cheaper, but I just haven't found a good source. I'm gonna leave plenty of room around the head. I'll shape it later. Once I drill the hole, figure out where the acorn nut is gonna go to attach it to the stem, and then I'll trim the head back in around to kind of hide the extra hanging out. But there will be an exposed acorn nut. I don't know another better way. I've tried, if you can see this one, to fold it under. It seemed to work pretty good, but it seems like it's headless. I don't know. I didn't really like that look. I like the look with an acorn nut better. So we're gonna do that. I don't know if I can salvage these, if I can punch another hole and trim them down. I started out doing a couple that way. We'll see. Use the acorn nut to try to see how far we can come in. Kind of halfway draw the perimeter. Randomly try to get the best area in the hole that I can get for right now. Here I cut this down too far. I'll bump it up. Trim everything in. I've got a Dahl crossbeam hammer, and I'm gonna start trying to put some lines, some textured lines out through the butterfly, the body, and then almost perpendicularly coming out at angles up into the wings. Try to get some textured lines just to make it look, bring it to life really. I'm hoping a simple shine right here on the buffing wheel will bring them out to a pretty good higher shine. Here's what I'm starting with. Let's see what we can get. Once again, got a 50-50 shellac denatured alcohol mix to make a dipping lacquer out of this. Or excuse me, a dipping shellac. I'll do this for 3 coats. Hopefully it doesn't tear them up too much once I install them and bend them. I might be rushing it a bit. But I want to mount them before I bend them to make them come to life on the Brixie flowers herself. I'll just have to be careful. New videos are going to be posted every week on Wednesdays, 10 a.m.